And what would a shabby patty be without bacon, right? So we're gonna add some bacon. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna do Shift and A, add another plane, scale it down, of course, scale it down the x-axis again, so we have like a nice rectangular shape like this. Raise it up by doing G and Z. Maybe scale it down a bit more on the y-axis. That's pretty good right there. Then we're gonna go into edit mode, right click, subdivide this up a bit by right clicking, clicking subdivide, of course. Rotate this a bit by doing R and Z and rotate it on the Z axis. And then we're gonna add a collision to our cheese here, and we're going to add a cloth modifier to our bacon. And we're gonna use our timeline to choose a frame that looks pretty good, makes it look like the bacon's hanging over the sandwich, right? So what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna hit the arrow, apply it, and there we go, we got some bacon. And I'm lazy, not doing that again, so I'm just gonna do Shift D, duplicate, G, X, move it to the side, R, Z, rotate, raise it up some, to the side, rotate. Okay, we got our 2 strips of bacon. Nice. Now we're just gonna solidify these. So we're just gonna click this piece of bacon, add modifier, then solidify, change the thickness a tad bit. We're just gonna do the same thing for the other piece of bacon. And they're both in the air slightly, so I'm just gonna drag it down a bit. All right, we got 2 strips of bacon. Nice. Next, we're gonna add some pickles to this. So it's pretty simple. Just gonna add a few cylinders here. So Shift A, cylinder, scale it down, raise it up, scale it down some more on the Z axis with S and Z. And we just drop it down like this. I'm just gonna scale it down a bit more. Then we're gonna duplicate this and move it on the x-axis and then the y-axis. Place it here, and these need to come down a bit more, so we're gonna do E and Z, then rotate it on the y-axis. Maybe I'm just gonna mess around with this. Yeah, just place your pickles on top of the burger here. I'll get back to you later. Alright, so we got our pickles placed now. Next, we can add some onions. So we're gonna do Shift A, and we're gonna do cube, scale it down, raise it up, S and X to make this a bit rectangular, then S and Z to flatten it. We're just gonna plop it on top of burger here, then Shift and D, duplicate, and we're just gonna make random pieces of onion here. So we're just duplicating. So however many onions you want in your burger. I personally don't like that many onions like that. I think McDonald's onions are freaking disgusting, but that's for another video. Now we add the final piece to this fast food delicacy, fast food phenomenon, the top bun. So we're gonna do Shift D, duplicate, then GZ, raise up. And we're just gonna scale this a bit more. So we'll just hit S, scale it like that size. And then we're gonna go into edit mode to bring these vertices outward a bit. Hold down Alt and then click one of them. Press S, just scale it out some like that. Then just place it down nicely. All right, we need to be able to edit the top face of this. So we're gonna go into edit mode. We're gonna choose the face select, the top face, hit X, then we're gonna delete the faces here. We're gonna choose the vertex, click on one of the top vertices, hold down Alt, click it again. We're gonna select the surrounding vertices, then do E and S to bring it in like so. And then we're gonna hit E to extrude, and then M to merge at center. Now we're gonna click on one of the vertices in here, hold down Alt, click it again. Then we're just going to do Control R and just scroll to add like a few more incisions here, and just place them right here. And look at that, we have a bunch of faces on top of our burger. So now we have all these faces on our top bun. Gonna click on the center one and hold down Control and then hit plus on our numpad to make a few selections here. Then we're gonna do G and Z to raise the bun up, and we're just gonna do the same process again. So click on the center, Control plus GZ, raise the bun up, and there you go. Maybe we get out of edit mode, hit S and then Z, flatten it down a bit. There we go.